Hello everyone! Welcome to today's tutorial where we will dive into the world of adjusting recognition rules for complex documents with tables spanning across multiple pages. Let's review the document samples we'll be working with, which include different data sets that may either end on the first page or span across multiple pages. Understanding these samples will help us adjust the recognition rules effectively. How to get started? Simply head over to the Administration menu and locate the Recognition Rules tab. From there, click on the Add button and choose the document type from which you want to extract data. Once the source file is added, you can choose from various data extraction methods. Let's keep Google Document AI Form Parser for this document type as commonly used one. You may further increase the accuracy of document classification by indicating specific keywords that are highly relevant to the particular document type. To get data automatically mapped without the need for template setup, simply click on the Captivating Init Field button. Furthermore, you have the flexibility to add and adjust additional fields. Click on the Add Field button to set up rules for capturing specific dataset. Use pink area to define field value. Use green area to define field anchor. Provide user-friendly field name that accurately represents the extracted value from the document. Additionally, you can assign tags to the fields, which serve as labels for programmatic access to the retrieved values through the API. To ensure that your adjustments take effect, click on the Apply button. Now, let's add a few more fields and observe how the recognition rules setup work in action. Now we demonstrate the process of adding new fields as values in text format. If you need to capture data from a table, you will need to follow the same steps, but with one crucial difference. When selecting the field type, make sure to choose the table setting from the drop-down menu. Use purple area to define field value. Use green area to define field anchor. Add anchor text under the table. If your table extends onto another page, make sure to add the anchor text at the location where the table ends on that page. Don't forget to check the header box if the header of your table repeats on each page. Next, you can continue adding columns and other attributes of the fields you would like to capture from the table. This customization is completely driven by your unique automation requirements. Critical reminder: when dealing with data tables that dynamically span across multiple pages, it is crucial to adjust the settings accordingly as demonstrated in the tutorial to ensure accurate data capture. It is also possible to enable and disable any columns as per your needs. To apply your adjustments, simply click on the Apply button. After making the necessary changes to the recognition rules, it's time to save your adjustments and activate the updated rules. Once that's done, let's see the results in action. Head over to the AI Document Processing tab and select the documents you wish to process, including the one with a data table spanning multiple pages. To review the results, navigate to the workflow status and click on it. This will redirect you to a page where you can find a list of documents that have been uploaded and processed by elDoc. Locate the most recent document you uploaded and click on it to access the results. Now, let's review the documents one by one. As you can see, we have created a single set of recognition rules but uploaded different documents, including one with a data table ending on one page and another with a data table spanning across multiple pages. The great thing is that elDoc automatically handled both scenarios based on the single rules we configured together. Begin your intelligent document processing journey today by claiming your free elDoc trial.